Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your picture on 8-ball pool application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your picture on 8-ball pool, firstly go ahead and launch open your 8-ball pool application. You will end up on the home page of 8-ball pool's account. From the home page, click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, tap on Trophy Road. Click on pen icon at the top right corner of the page. Choose the picture from your given option and tap on it. Confirm changing of picture by tapping on continue. This is how you can change picture on 8-ball pool's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.